In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted WhatsApp call history. If you recently lost calls in WhatsApp, the only reliable official method to bring them back is by restoring from a backup that was created before the calls were deleted. That's exactly what we'll do now. Start by opening WhatsApp on your phone. We need to check where your backups live and when the last one ran. Open Settings, then tap Chats and choose Chat Backup. On Android, Settings is the three-dot menu on the top right of the main screen. On iPhone, it's the gear icon at the bottom bar. In Chat Backup, you'll see the backup location, Google Drive on Android or iCloud on iPhone, along with the most recent backup date and time. Take a moment to compare that timestamp with when your call history went missing. If the backup was created before the deletion, there's a good chance your call log can be restored. If it's newer than the deletion, restoring will not bring those entries back. Also note that restoring replaces your current WhatsApp data with what's in the backup, so newer messages and recent changes after that backup may be lost. When you're ready, remove the app from your device and then reinstall it from the Google Play Store on Android or the Apple App Store on iOS. This step is necessary because WhatsApp only offers the restore option during initial setup after a fresh install. For a smooth restore, make sure you have a stable internet connection, ideally over Wi-Fi, and enough battery life or your charger connected. After the reinstall, open WhatsApp and follow the setup prompts. Verify your phone number using the same number that was linked to the backup. When asked, allow WhatsApp to find your backup on Google Drive or iCloud, confirm restore, and let the process complete without interrupting it. Keep the app in the foreground and your screen awake if possible. Large media libraries can take time. Once the restore finishes, your chats and associated data from that backup will reappear. Depending on your device and WhatsApp version, call history that existed at the time of the backup may also return. If you don't see every call, it may be because the backup didn't include some call entries or it postdates the deletion. That's it. By checking the backup timestamp, reinstalling WhatsApp, and restoring from Google Drive or iCloud, you give yourself the best chance to recover deleted WhatsApp call history.